Assalamu alaikum. In a nation of 1.4 billion people, many still struggle for basic needs like education, healthcare, and livelihood. For nearly 2 decades, the Safa Group has been working with care, faith, and practical action to help people live with dignity and build better futures. As a nonprofit organization, Safa improves lives through sustainable development, guided by Islamic values of compassion and social responsibility. For 19 years, Safa has served over 2 million lives across 11 states in India, operating through 4 dedicated trusts, including the Safa Educational Welfare and Charitable Trust, which holds FCRA, ADG, and 12A certifications, ensuring complete transparency and accountability. What makes Safa different is its ground-level, data-based approach. We don't assume needs. Our teams visit each household, study real problems, and design practical solutions. Beneficiaries receive color-coded ID cards to ensure support is direct and fair. And we maintain full financial transparency through tally software and regular audits. Every rupee is recorded, and every beneficiary is treated with dignity. Safa's impactful work is built on 7 core pillars: education, healthcare, livelihood, skill development, environmental projects, disaster relief, social infrastructure, and social welfare. Education. Our focus on education is paramount, ensuring every child has the chance to learn and build a better future. To address high dropout rates, the Open Schooling Program was launched. Using the state government's Open Schooling Program, TOS, Safa is sponsoring and facilitating working children and dropouts continue their studies through weekly classes. In 2024 alone, over 529 students enrolled in TOS, with 309 successfully passing their exams, giving them a second chance. Furthermore, our Orphan Education and Scholarship Initiative provided complete educational and healthcare support to over 178 children, distributing scholarships worth over 53 lakh rupees. We also prevent dropouts due to temporary financial hardship by giving one-time education scholarships, supporting nearly 2,000 students with 18 lakh rupees in assistance. Beyond direct funding, Safa's area development teams help less educated families access essential government services, processing over 2,400 documents and guiding 1,500 families through counseling and awareness programs to ensure communities access the support they deserve. Healthcare. Recognizing medical care as a basic necessity, Safa provides free and low-cost healthcare through its clinics, ensuring quality care reaches those who need it most. In the heart of Kishanbagh, Hyderabad, Safa runs comprehensive medical and dental centers, staffed by experienced doctors, nurses, and technicians with modern equipment. The medical clinic serves as a vital lifeline, treating over 28,000 patients in 2024 with free consultations, medicines, and chronic care support, while the diagnostic center provided free tests and early diagnosis for hundreds of families until early 2024. Furthermore, the medical aid program helped over 50,000 people with hospital bills and treatment expenses, distributing support worth 56 lakh rupees, ensuring financial hardship never denies care. Our dental clinic also makes oral health accessible, offering essential services like root canals, cleanings, and extractions. Overall, Safa's commitment to quality healthcare is clear. In 2024, our clinics treated over 81,000 patients, reflecting our strong dedication to the well-being of the community. Livelihood. At Safa, we believe true change begins when people earn with dignity, which is the core of our livelihood program. We focus on helping families become self-reliant through small but powerful assets like pushcarts, sewing machines, weak machines, and air compressors. A single pushcart often becomes a turning point for struggling families, enabling them to earn daily income and live with respect. In 2024, Safa distributed 1,175 pushcarts across 16 areas in Telangana, Maharashtra, and Karnataka, representing an investment of 1.7 crore rupees that has transformed countless lives. Additionally, to empower women and promote independence, we provided 400 sewing machines along with financial aid across 4 states, a total commitment worth 54 lakh rupees. Today, many of these women, including widows and single mothers, proudly run their own tailoring businesses, stitching hope and self-reliance into their lives.
Skill development. At Safa, we believe skills create strength, and through our comprehensive skills development program, we empower thousands of women and youth with practical, job-oriented training. Recognizing that computer knowledge is essential, our Setwin certified MS Office course equipped 396 students with essential digital skills across 3 batches in 2024. For advanced careers, the Qutub Shahi Skills Plus Hub, supported by various partners, offers free, high-end technology training in fields like cloud DevOps, data science, and mobile app development. With 250 students enrolled, 8 batches completed, and a 98% positive feedback rate, complete with placement support. Meanwhile, our dedicated skill centers train women and girls in tailoring, fashion designing, and mehendi art, fostering financial independence. In 2024, 701 women were trained in tailoring, many starting home-based units, and 192 participants mastered professional mehendi techniques. Through these diverse initiatives, Safa is creating real pathways to employment and self-reliance, turning practical training into dignified opportunities. Environmental project. Protecting the environment is an act of care for our future, which is why Safa operates the Not in Use to Reusable program, turning waste into worth through a sustainable circular system. Started in 2006 and following the 5R policy, reduce, reuse, recycle, repair, and resale. This initiative collects discarded items like clothes, furniture, and electronics, and gives them new life. This model protects the environment while creating jobs for drivers, sorters, cleaners, and repair technicians. And the sales team ensures refurbished, quality goods are available at affordable prices to families who need them. Our plastic recycling unit further promotes eco-friendly disposal. In 2024, the collection department collected a massive 1,907 metric tons of donations, including over 1,000 tons of clothing, and resold 51 tons of refurbished goods, reaching over 60,000 households and benefiting more than 1.3 lakh people directly and indirectly, demonstrating that this initiative truly saves the planet while enhancing dignity. Disaster relief. Standing strong in times of crisis, Safa is committed to providing quick relief during floods and natural disasters, with food, clean water, clothing, medicines, and temporary shelter, helping affected families recover and rebuild with dignity. In 2024, when Assam faced devastating floods that displaced over 1.6 lakh people, Safa teams were on the ground immediately, with relief kits and essential aid. Later that year, we responded swiftly to heavy rains in Maharashtra's Hingoli district, where farmland was damaged and over 200 families were impacted, delivering essential goods and ongoing assistance. To further support recovery, Safa provided 250,000 rupees in emergency financial aid to 43 individuals, ensuring they could meet basic needs and rebuild stability. Through timely action and compassionate service, Safa continues to bring crucial relief and resilience to communities facing disaster.
Social infrastructure. Building stronger communities starts with better facilities, and through our social infrastructure projects, Safa focuses on essentials that improve daily life, such as installing RO water purification plants at major government hospitals in Hyderabad, including Osmania General Hospital and ENT Hospital. In 2024, these plants supplied over 37,90,000 liters of purified water, benefiting nearly 18 lakh people. Furthermore, in Assam, Safa installed 1,000 borewells across various villages, ensuring reliable access to clean and safe water for rural communities. Safa has also constructed over 125 mosques, made with tin and RCC structures across 7 states, including Assam, Telangana, and Kashmir, serving as essential spaces for prayer, learning, and community gatherings, thereby strengthening both the social and spiritual fabric of communities. Social welfare. Every day, many people struggle, including widows, poor families, and those facing crisis. And through its diverse social welfare programs, Safa stands with them, offering care, dignity, and hope. Our aid pension program provides monthly financial support, reaching over 9,600 beneficiaries with pensions worth 63 lakh rupees in 2024, alongside emergency aid to 17 families. To help families facing hardship, the Marriage Aid Program supported 153 marriages with assistance totaling 9.10 lakh rupees, providing not only financial help but also home essentials. For those who lose a loved one, Safa's Akhiri Safar service ensures that every Muslim receives a respectful farewell, facilitating 470 funerals in 2024 through compassionate services like the Akhiri Safar Van. During Eid ul-Adha, the Qurbani distribution offered 8,800 Qurbani shares, distributing over 1,748 quintals of meat to 34,960 families across 6 states, nourishing nearly 1.66 lakh individuals. To fight ongoing hunger, the Feeding Project distributed over 38,000 ration kits and 28,000 cooked meals in 2024, benefiting 1,21,256 individuals, and providing over 75 lakh meals worth 4.33 crore rupees, including special Ramzan packages. Finally, Safa's dedicated branches across 4 states collectively supported more than 1.11 lakh beneficiaries with welfare assistance totaling 3.9 rupees crores, ensuring help reaches even the most remote areas. Conclusion: building tomorrow with compassion. From education to healthcare, from livelihood to social welfare, every initiative of Safa is a step toward dignity, hope, and empowerment. What began as a small effort has today become a movement touching millions of lives across India. Our mission continues to reach more families, empower more youth, and build stronger, self-reliant communities. With your support, we will expand our reach through new skill development hubs, dialysis centers, water wells, and mobile health units, ensuring that help and hope never stop. Because at Safa, we believe real change begins with compassion, and compassion begins with you. Safa Group, serving humanity with faith and action.